Welcome to this comprehensive guide on best practices for eToro markets. eToro is a social trading platform that allows users to trade a variety of financial instruments, including currencies, commodities, and stocks. To get the most out of eToro, it is essential to understand the platform and develop a solid trading strategy. First, it is crucial to understand the different types of orders available on eToro, including market orders, limit orders, and stop-loss orders. Market orders allow you to buy or sell an asset at the current market price, while limit orders enable you to set a specific price at which to buy or sell. Stop-loss orders help you limit potential losses by automatically closing a position when it reaches a certain price. Next, it is vital to develop a risk management strategy. This involves setting a budget, determining your risk tolerance, and diversifying your portfolio. It is essential to never invest more than you can afford to lose and to spread your investments across different asset classes to minimize risk. Another key concept is technical analysis, which involves using charts and other tools to predict market movements. eToro provides a range of technical analysis tools, including charts, indicators, and oscillators. By using these tools, you can identify trends, patterns, and potential entry and exit points. In addition to technical analysis, it is also important to stay up to date with market news and events. eToro provides a newsfeed that allows you to stay informed about market developments and make more informed trading decisions. To further improve your trading skills, it is recommended to use eToro's social trading features. These features allow you to follow and copy the trades of other successful traders, which can help you learn new strategies and stay up to date with market trends. Finally, it is essential to continuously monitor and adjust your trading strategy. This involves regularly reviewing your portfolio, adjusting your risk management strategy as needed, and staying adaptable in response to changing market conditions. By following these best practices, you can improve your trading skills and increase your chances of success on eToro. Remember to always prioritize risk management, stay informed about market developments, and continuously adapt your strategy to changing market conditions. With practice and patience, you can become a skilled trader and achieve your financial goals on eToro.